Okay, I'm going to work through the first 4 problems. If you are feeling confident, you want to ignore me, go ahead and do so. As soon as I get done with this, you guys will be free to move and sit with the partner. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Come on, get in focus here. There we go. Oh, no, come back. There we go. All right, I like to rearrange these. When I look at this, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things. So let me put the 3 and the 4 together because those are coefficients. I'll put my x's together. I'll put my y's together. Right there. And we want to follow our rules. These are coefficients, so those just multiply. And then our rule is if we have 2 of the same bases, we add the exponents. So that 6 is going to add with the 8. We'll get 14. Same bases, add the exponents. 4 plus 5 is going to give us y to the 9th. And that'll be our final answer. Number 1. Number 2. My suggestion when you got parentheses, make sure you've got exponents on everything. So I'm going to put a 1 on my A there. And the rule for parentheses with exponents is that you multiply. This 3 is going to multiply by the 2 and by the 1. So we will still have an A and a B. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So A to the third B to the 6. Right. So I don't have any negative exponents. So everything's going to stay where it is. I'm going to go ahead and put this 10 down there. There's nothing really to do with it. The rule for when we're dividing is we do the exponent on the top minus the exponent on the bottom. So since these x's match, I can do 9 minus 4 to get x to the 5th. With the y's, though, if I go top minus bottom, I'm going to get a negative exponent. That would be y to the negative 5th. So we did 9 minus 4 to get 5. We did 5 minus 10 to get negative 5. And the negative exponents cause that factor to move to the other side of the fraction. So everything else is going to stay in the same place. X to the 5th and 10 stay where they are. That y is going to move down to the bottom and become y to the 5th. Last one. Let me start with my coefficients. I got a 20 and a 2 that are coefficients, and those just divide. So you just want to think about simplifying. If you had 20 over 2 as a fraction, that's the same as 10 over 1. Now with the a to the negative 1, that's a negative exponent. I'm going to go ahead and move that downstairs. We'll end up with an a to the 1 on the bottom, and it's going to join. There was already an a to the 14 on the bottom. So I've taken care of my a's. We've still got some b's. We don't have any negative exponents on here, so we'll just subtract top minus bottom. That's going to give us positive this time. So b to the 17th up top. So we're really close to finishing this. We do have one more step to do. So again, I was just doing piece by piece. I did all my coefficients first, reduced it. Did my a's next with my a to the bottom. And b's, I followed the rule. The rule says subtract the exponents. 20 minus 3 is 17. So that 10 staying up here, there's nothing to do with that b to the 17. The only thing that we can do is we can stick these a's together. The rule says when we multiply two things with the same basis, we add the exponents. This would be a to the 15. There's your